Now we will make the platform for the playground. We'll start off by using the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. I will now use the push-pull tool to raise it up and make it 2 inches. Okay, so now I'll use the select tool to make it a group. 1, 2, 3. Everything's highlighted. Right click, make group. Okay. So now I will actually raise it up 30 inches from the ground. I'll use the move tool. Raise it up. Look for the blue origin. Blue axis. On blue axis. Release it. Type in 30 inches. Now, okay, I will actually start moving the filling in the rest of the platforms, so the people that you're building this playground for will actually be able to get on. So again, they can't just get on a board like that. They actually need a platform that they can actually get on. The kids need to have a platform. So let's build this. So let's move this around. Let's zoom in a little bit. Okay, now that everything's highlighted, I will use the push-pull tool. Actually, it's not highlighted. Let's double click that. Notice the boxes around there, the dotted lines. So now I will use the push-pull tool and pull it out. And we're looking for on the edge right there. Make sure it's the inside edge. Inside edge. Rotate it. Same thing for each side. Push pull. Inside edge, on the edge, outside active. Okay, this one actually needs to go back in. Push pull. Right there, highlighted. Oops, wrong. Control Z. If you mess up, just Control Z or edit undo or the arrow. So I'm gonna push this one in. Inside edge. Let's get this one over here so I can get a better angle on this one. Release it right there. Move it around. Push pull. Highlight right there. On edge, outside active. Release it. So now let's hover around, see what we have here. Everything's on the inside of that there. Inside the pillars right there. Everything all the way around is on the inside. So now what we need to do, we need to actually, this part is on the inside. So now we need to actually pull this out to right here. And the reason why we couldn't pull it all the way over right here, because this right here is kind of blocking it. It will come through there. So you'll see what I'm talking about in a few minutes. Okay, so now let's zoom in a little better so we can get a closer look there. And now we will use the rectangle tool. Place it up there on the end point and drag it over, end point. So now we'll use the push-pull tool and pull it out and release right there. Hover around. Rectangle tool up there on the intersection. right there. We'll bring it over, endpoint, release it, push pull, pull it out, release it, hover around, intersection, come over, endpoint, push pull, right there on edge outside active, release, hover around, so right there, intersection, release it right there, intersection. Actually, Control Z that didn't work out well. Let's try that again. Right there, intersection, and right there, release, push pull, pull it out. Whoops, that's too far out there. On edge outside active, release it. So that should be all the size there. So I'm zooming kind of different angles so you can see what actually happened there. So you notice the edge right there is kind of cut around there, and the same thing all the way around.